fun little side adventure. I was traveling to the next destination, Canyon de Chelly, I think is what it's called. And Google Maps took me on the side road, and well, I didn't really expect to run into snow in New Mexico. So I've been working for probably half an hour, 45 minutes to get myself out of here. I realized too late that I needed to turn around, and well, it's taken a while to turn around, but I've made some progress. That's where I got stuck, over there. And then I got stuck there again, and now I'm halfway turned around, and I'm on the home stretch, but I still gotta make the rest of this road to get back. If you're gonna take anything away from this, is that unless you're gonna check the weather conditions, stick to the interstate, especially if you're driving a minivan. Jeez. There we go. Almost. Come on. Okay. We're getting somewhere. Let's go. Carve the path for us. That's right! Hell yeah. Never underestimate a Michigander. Watch me get stuck again. Alright. I made it out of there. It's funny because there was a weird road that I had to turn on that was super steep hill, and I couldn't get up it. I tried like 3 or 4 different times, and the last time I was like, quit being a wimp about it, you just got to build up momentum. So I got up to speed, going like 35 or whatever, and then I made it up the hill, and I was like, yes! I don't think I'll have to deal with that the rest of this road. And then of course, I got slammed by dirt road and like 1.5 feet of snow. So never have I had so much trouble with snow in Michigan. Although Michigan does a good job of clearing their snow, and this was also like a back road, so my arrogant Michigan ass got myself handed to me by New Mexico winter. But I got out. No one even passed by. I was all by myself working for, man, how long had it been? Probably like an hour out there. So, mini adventures. Like, I'm not the only one that was having trouble with the winter. I had to stop though, because I got myself stuck, so I figured I'd lend a hand for other people that need help. But as soon as I got out there, they pretty much had it covered, so it would have been nice to help them out after getting my own ass stuck for so long. Mini adventure. All right, well, after the morning snafu of getting stuck on a back road in the snow, we finally made it to Canyon de Chelly in New Mexico, and just driving past it, it looks like this is going to be like a mini Grand Canyon, which is funny because I'm going to be visiting the Grand Canyon come a couple days, but it's already really freaking gorgeous. And as a caveat, my wish was fulfilled to have a little bit of snow. I was talking to some friends that I missed the snow back home, and well, I guess someone answered my call, but I'd say you can tone it back a little bit. What's crazy is that you can take Jeep tours down there. Those are full-blown trees. You can see. There it is. Spider Rock. That sucker's gotta be at least 400 feet tall. 400, 500 feet tall. So fascinating. How did that form? There's a river down there. And there's the giant rock. Something that I just thought of is that I bet you could measure the height of that by knowing what time of day it is and using the shadow. I bet that'd be such a cool experiment. Because of knowing what time of day it is, you should be able to know the angle at which the sun would hit the rock, and you could probably measure it out, or at least use it relatively and then estimate the height of it. Challenge to one of you: if you can figure out how tall that rock is, it is precisely, I guess you should probably know what time it is, 2:24. So if you can guess the height of that rock at 2:24, guessing by the shadow, I'll reward you with something. I don't know, something really special. Kind of walked off the beaten trail here, and I thought this was human pee, but it's really strong and I don't see any other tracks other than mine. So I wonder whose pee this is. And there are even little tracks you can see. I wonder what kind of animal this is. That's a strong pee smell. Oh my god, I can smell it from over here. I bet someone's taking a picture sitting on that rock right from here. Huh. Don't worry, Mom, that won't be me today. Oh my god. I almost peed a little bit. Holy hell. Oh my god. I'm not even this is freaking me out. Alright, you guys ready to have some vertigo? Freaking me out too much. I can't do that anymore. It's too much, man. It's too much. Okay, so I was just standing by the edge behind you guys just a second ago, and 700 feet cliff, we've already been over this, and I took this photo and then the wind started blowing, and I was talking to someone else just now that it's not really the height, it's the wind that's really scary, and the wind started blowing like 40 miles per hour, like really hard, just like it was a couple days ago. That was probably the scariest. It scared me so much I can't think of the right word. It scared me so bad. I think I haven't been scared that bad this entire trip. That was really horrifying. And it might not seem like that big a deal to you, all of you wonderful people sitting at home, but yeah. Okay, so I just used that bouldering experience with Mike to get up on top of this rock here. See how it's actually, I put my leg up here and crawled myself up and everything. And honestly, if I hadn't done bouldering with Mike in Austin, then I would have been too afraid to try this. And yeah, I know I should have recorded it, but honestly, I didn't think I was gonna be able to make it up just by myself. So, proud dad moment. Something that'll give you a good sense of scale. Those are people. You can probably barely see them. Those are people down there. And here's the rest of the canyon. Look at this. Look at this place. It's like my own little lion's den in the wall. had to participate in the fun is all. I apologize. Of course a ranger would show up right when I'm getting down. She was nice about it. I mean, there were so many carvings up there, I'm sure that people do that all the time. But you should listen to the responsible people. But I have to give props to Mike. It's the second time today the bouldering experience has helped me out. So, thank you. All right, that'll do it for Canyon de Chelly. I think I'm gonna go get some Burger King. It's been a very stressful day, from getting stuck in a snowy dirt road in the middle of nowhere to looking over a 700-foot edge and then climbing up into that little cave thing. So it's been a little stressing. And I think I'm gonna go get some comfort food. So, you know, I'm human. I'm not perfect. And the Burger freaking King is gonna help me out today. So tomorrow we're gonna be in Sedona, and we'll see what kind of views that has to offer. But for now, I'm gonna get a burger.